My name is Seth K Bani, and today I'm going to show you how to design this.
Hi guys, now in this particular tutorial I want to show you how to create a custom pillow mockup. Let's go into Photoshop. So the first thing we are going to do is let's create this canvas, and then I want us to go and then let's pick this wooden background. Let's drag it in there. Now remember, everything is going to be in the description for you to download and then use for this tutorial as well. I am going to just resize it. Awesome. And then I'll go and pick my pillow as well. This is the pillow. Drag it in there and then leave it here. Great. Awesome. Now because of this white background like this, I don't want to cut it. I don't want to spend much time cutting it out, so I'll just give it a layer here, and then I'll just give it a brush, and then set a brush to color white here, reduce it, and then just brush down here like that, just so it could blend in a little bit. All right, so this is it. Bring in our logo. I'm going to use Starbucks logo, and then I am going to resize it like that and put it somewhere here. Awesome. Just keep it somewhere in the middle like that. Now this is cool so far. I'm going to put the logo in a group, and I'm going to call it logo. Also, I am going to hold Control and click over here on the pillow to select the pillow for me, and perhaps click somewhere. Where is it? Click somewhere here and select. Let's click this one. Quick mask, and then make sure it is subtract. Make sure caps lock is off, and then just try subtracting it a little bit more. Subtract it a little bit more, and then that is it. Once you have it something like this, I want you to click on your mask. Make sure this folder is selected. Click on it, and then it's going to be over here. Now that means that everything we put inside here is going to be confined within this particular layer. And so what I want to do is to change the color of the pillow. So I'll click here, and then I'll pick my brush tool, hold Alt, and then pick this color, this green color, because that's the color I want to give the pillow. And then once I do that, I'll just go here to the adjustments, go to solid color, and then that color is going to appear here, and I'll click on OK. Then I can close it now, and you can see the solid color was confined to the pillow as I said. Now the entire group, let's click over here, let's set it to multiply. Now it works with multiply because of the pillow color over here, and I think with this, let's drag Starbucks logo on top of it. Awesome. This looks amazing so far. Let's see. And then this is how you create your mock up in Photoshop. Now let's just say that you want to change the logo. All you have to do is just double click the logo, pick Bayern Munich, and let's drag it in there. Now guys, I'm not a fan of Bayern Munich. This is just purely for tutorial purposes. All right, so let's put it somewhere here. Try and keep it in the middle if you can of everything, and then Control and then S to save it. If it's not, let's delete this one. Let's rasterize this one, and then Control S to save it, and then let's go here. It's going to show over here. Now you can see that it's quite different, right? The color of the pillow is green, and then Bayern Munich is blue, white, and then red. So what do we have to do? That's why the solid color is over here. Double click it. Now you can click on the red to make it blend with the red, or you could click over here on the yellow to make it blend with the yellow, or you can even click on the white to make it blend with the white, or you could click on the blue to make it blend with the blue. And so I'll just stick with the red, and then I'll click on OK, and then this is how you create the mockup. Alright, so guys, if you love this video, don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to this channel as well. I love you all guys. See you in the next tutorial. Peace.